What did she say? Step number one?
Crack chocolate. You're looking for a snack. If it's a good chocolate bar, you should hear a crack when you break it.
Step number two? Sniff it. And three? Okay. What does it melt in? Does it melt at the back of your throat or on your tongue or outside? On your eyeballs? Okay, the tongue. Alright. Okay, so who wants to go first? Jonathan, you go first since you already.
Hold the hand out and I'll pass your piece.
Yeah, did you heard what she said? Are you shy? Are you regularly shy? Wow.
Jonathan being shy.
Okay, okay, right.
Alright,
Who's
Ezra.
going first? Why don't you go first?
Go, Ezra.
Yeah. You take it.
Good boy, Ezra.
Snap it. You have to listen for the snap.
Get a
Yeah.
little crack. It's okay. This one might be a bit soft because it's a little warm in here. Okay.
Should I? Okay. I'll
And then
What do you do?
Ready to snap? Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
dog.
Oh, he can't eat it because it's lactose intolerant.
That's okay. I've got
Can I-
a couple of non-dairy ones.
Can I please have a piece? Is that okay?
So this is quite soft.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, boom. Mason, would you like some non-dairy ones?
You should have let him out.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm sure I've got some non-dairy in it all.
You all good, Mason? Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. Is it melted? I can't taste it, right? I can't taste it.
You will once you.
Get to the bottom of it. Okay. What do you
I need
taste?
a vomit. Yeah.
That's because we had too much sweets, didn't we?
I need a vomit. Hey, look, Rubik's Cube. Raspberry milk chocolate. It is. That's right there.
It's delicious, that's all I know.
That's all I know. Yeah, I can't
Read
taste
the
it.
package.
Okay.
Oh, you cheated.
No, but first.
Cheetah
I didn't
Magita.
Yeah,
see it until
it's raspberry
afterwards.
milk chocolate. I figured it out too.
No,
Cheetah
I
Magita.
tasted it before.
What do you
and then
taste?
I tasted the raspberry. And then I looked.
That's it?
Try cacao beans.
Cacao beans.
So
Oh,
this is
yes.
where the chocolate starts.
I would love to try cacao beans.
How big?
Beans. Cacao beans. Cacao beans.
You get a little crack. It's got an outer shell you want to take off. It's not too hard.
What do you crack it with your hand?
Crack it with the strength of the god.
Yep, just squeeze it between your fingers and give it a little crack.
Oh, well.
Crack.
Oh yeah, I had a crack. I had a crack.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah.
And then just check your fit from there. You should be able to get a little crush.
Man,
A little dark
we're not catching anything.
that goes all crumbly. That's cacao.
Oh, that's what we want to eat. Oh, I was just cracking the whole thing into it.
You don't want the outer
It's supposed
shell.
to be eating the black
The little dark hard bits.
and then
Right. Here, let me just.
You don't want the papery stuff on the outside. But it's going to be pretty strong and bitter.
Can I try?
very, very strong and bitter.
What does bitter mean?
How is it?
I think I ate the outer shell, to be fair. But it's quite delicious.
How is it? Cacao beans. Cacao beans. Yeah? How's your one? What do you think?
It's okay.
It's okay?
No, how? It doesn't taste like chocolate, which is
See
weird.
that dark?
No, it doesn't taste like chocolate at all.
That's the bit you can eat.
Oh.
Yep. It's okay. They usually break. That's what happens when we roast.
What does yours taste like?
Really fragile. They break.
Mine doesn't taste like anything at all. Doesn't taste like anything. Does it taste like anything you recognize? No? You recognize it?
Yummy.
No, yeah, yummy. Really? That's your answer?
Not really.
Shall we? So, what does yours taste like? Hey, yes, I know. Yeah. All right, people. Say thank you. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the new year. Oh.
Have a good day.
Woo!